Hi guys, today I'll be going to Crumbl and reviewing this week's flavors, so let's just get started. Here are the Crumbl cookies. Now I'm gonna do some ASMR of me cutting the cookies. So I have the Crumbl cutter.
That's a kick.
First I'm going to be trying the Oreo Crumbl cookie, which is just an Oreo flavored Crumbl cookie, and it already like broke apart, but that's fine. So now we're going to try it. Pretty good. Pretty good. I think the frosting might be cream cheese frosting, but I'm not really sure. I'll check the Crumbl website. But first impression, it's super soft and there's a lot of frosting on it, and it pretty much tastes like an Oreo and I like it. So I just checked the website and it does have cream cheese frosting and I really like it on the Oreo cookie, and I give it a 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Now the next Crumbl cookie I'm going to be trying is the raspberry donut Crumbl cookie, and it definitely stays intact a lot easier than the Oreo one, and let's try it. In my opinion, it tastes exactly like a strawberry donut, and I really like the fruit on top and the like donut bites on top, and I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. The raspberry donut one was like even softer than the Oreo one, but it like still stayed really well intact, and I really liked that. So that's what gave it the extra 0.5. The next cookie is based off a honey bun, and when it was like intact, it had the little swirl like a honey bun, and it had like the glaze on top. And I've actually never had a honey bun, so I won't actually know if it like tastes accurate, but let's just try it. It's really thick, by the way. But that's also just a Crumbl cookie. That cookie sort of tasted like a snickerdoodle one, and it tasted like a homemade one that you would make, and it was really good. And I feel like I kind of tasted more cinnamon than actual honey, but I really liked it, and I'm gonna give it an 7.5 out of 10 too. The last donut, we have the cowboy donut, and not gonna lie, it kind of looks like a grandma cookie, if you know what I mean. But it sounds pretty good. It has pecans, chocolate chips, shredded coconut, and I'm pretty sure that's it. So let's try it. Okay, so overall that cookie definitely wasn't my favorite, but I can see like my parents liking it and like particular people liking it. But for my rating, I don't really like coconut, and I don't really think the pecans are needed either. So I'd rather just have like the normal milk chocolate chip cookie. And for that reason, it's gonna get a 6.5 because it wasn't bad, just wasn't my thing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!